Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a new episode of Serpent Cyber's channel. Alright, so today what I have here are pterosaurs. This is the Ceoptera from Rebirth, I believe. So this one I did some touch-ups. Look at that. I painted the veins or the nerves of this pterosaur. I painted the tail as well, even the crest. Oh, even the claws actually. Look at that. Whoops. Oh my gosh. Painted the claws. Oh, even a tiny claw, the dew claw over there was painted. So, oh, even that little claw right there, or horn. Oh my gosh, those. There you go. See that? Painted it. And this is the original right here. It's unpainted. Look at that compared to the one I made. Painted all the. Wait, what? There you go. I don't know if you guys can see that. The crest, the difference of the crest, the tail, the claws. Because it doesn't have a variant yet, so I decided to get 3. And here's the fully custom paint. I have to bag it so I won't damage the paint. Boom. There's a Ceoptera right there. Look at that. I just googled the color. Then I fell in love with this color, so I decided to copy it and paint it. Give it. There you go. Compared to the touch-up and the original. Okay, the reason why I brought this 3 out because we have the new FERRODRACO. So obviously it doesn't have a variant yet, so that's why I have to get 3, and I found 1 and 2, so I got 3 now. We're gonna do a touch up on the other one and a fully custom paint on the other one, and this one we'll leave it this way. Alright, so let's unbox this guy. Check the box first. They added the pterosaurs here. This Velociraptor I probably won't get it. Spectrovinator, I'm gonna need 2 more, and here we are, the FERRODRACO. So let's check it out. Let's unbox it. Boom. Don't want to damage this. Oops. Okay guys, while I'm taking this out, please subscribe and comment and like this video. Okay, so it looks like the Tabungaga Shawi. I wish I brought that out. There's the DNA scan. You guys can scan that. Oh yeah. So okay, the legs both move. Has feathers in the head, nice. Feathers on the back. The tail looks a little odd. It's like a double feather, like really short feather compared to the Ceoptera. Has longer tail. I wish the wings can be folded as well, but I know Mattel, if they make small pterosaurs, they don't fold the wings, except for that other the Pteranodon from that story pack. I'm surprised that thing can fold its wings. It's pretty good. So looks like I have to paint the teeth on this one. Nice piece right here. So they already made this back last year, 2025. Right there. You just okay. Anyways, oh right there, it has scales on its arm right there. The length of the wings. Looks like the Ceoptera has a wider wingspan. Yeah. Alright, there you have it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Maybe the next video should be the hybrid already. I'm not quite sure yet. It's almost done. Alright guys, you guys have a good evening now, and take good care. Thank you. So long.